Okay, so this is my Light Fantastic project, and just going to go through the process I went through to find my final idea. So first is my storyline and how I got to my final idea, the different steps and the process I took, steps I took in that order. So first, I looked at different projects. First, like a display box, different type of lampshades that can display the light bulb differently, and then I went to look at the packaging. Here's two examples. One has a protective mesh to fit or mold to fit the light bulb and protect them. The second is just showing how branding can be used on boxes for different themes or advertisement even. So shown here is my target audience, which is going to be first target audience, going to be industry. So I was looking at here maybe a restaurant or a bar who'll be buying quite a lot of light bulbs in one go, and thinking how could they make the most of the packaging. So I was thinking along the lines of maybe a display box, um, where you can use it for other things, storing other things, or displaying other things. So here's my first design, which was a display box as discussed before. I used the Scamper method and slowly developed my idea to come to the final one here, which would involve the mold from before to protect the light bulbs or whatever else is put in them. So then we went back to our lab and we discussed in groups our ideas. And this first idea probably wasn't as happy myself with it, so I decided to develop it and start looking at a new idea. So second idea, I started with my target audience. I decided to go a different route altogether and look at families and homeowners and what they would want from a light bulb uh, packaging. So I decided on to choose something aesthetically pleasing and something that could fit in the home and wouldn't be thrown out. So it's the iterative design process of design I used from our lecture, and I began designing ideas loosely based around the hazy ideas, and then started to refine them, speculate and reflect. I moved on to prototyping then. This was one of a few prototypes that I chose, and then I had to reflect it, refine it, and complete it. So then, in our lab group, we started discussing this idea, and I got a much more positive response for this one. I got a bit more information on what I could change and how I could improve it. So it was very positive. Then I started to sketch and annotate and design and refine my idea, choose size and choose materials, and really bring it to life, I suppose. So this is my three ideas really, fit on the scale of new and special and how it fits the brief. So just comparing the three of them really. Then I put it into Ask FM, uh, and the just went through each aspect of it. So the aesthetics, the cost, the customer, uh, environment, size, safety, function, material. Got a deeper sense into how this product would affect the user and why it sets itself apart from every other project in the class and everything that's out there at the moment. Um, so this was another peer review, um, and I had to review myself and really looked into the nitty gritty details that I wasn't looking into at the start, to kind of shape my final idea, and then just pick my last few changes based on my review. Um, then the final self review, looking into what I thought was good about it and what I'd change about it. Um, uh, and then I was asked how I would persuade my class that this was the best design, and I feel it would be, as it's small, it's simple, and it's quite effective. A lot of people would be interested in it, and due to its durability and how it can be changed, it'll suit a lot of people in a lot of different situations. And I think its simplicity is actually quite a main feature to it and kind of sets it apart from some of the other ones. That's it. So